You're already posting your best ideas on X, but are they visible to people outside your sphere? Video content on YouTube is the next level for your personal brand and business, and here's why. Build trust and authority. People buy from people they know and like. Video content connects and builds trust. In fact, 65% of millennials are more likely to buy from brands they follow on social media. 2. Expand your reach. X, with 600 million users, is boosting video content. YouTube, with 2.5 billion users, is promoting small channels. Video content also has a longer lifespan and reaches wider audience than text-based content. 3. Growing market. The creator economy is expanding by 35% each year. Millions are joining to build their online businesses. And now is the perfect moment to position yourself in the market with video content. My YouTube for Solopreneurs course is your blueprint for your first 100,000 views. Learn how to get over camera shyness and look professional. Create engaging videos quickly and easily with the help of AI, and turn your channel into a lead generating machine. You don't need expensive equipment or perfect setup. That's only an excuse I've heard too many times. So don't miss this opportunity to grow your channel and reach a wider audience. Get the YouTube for Solopreneurs course now.